crank, no start. Miller welder machine, Bobcat 225G. In this video I'm going to show you what I found. Okay, and this is not a spark issue, we're missing fuel. I pulled the fuel pickup tube from the tank and look what I found. The tube split all the way almost to the bottom. As you can see, that's why I couldn't get a fuel to my engine. Yeah, simply that. I have never seen it happen before. Yeah, well, at least we know what's wrong. Guys, if this video is helpful, put a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, more interesting videos are coming up. And yeah, I'm going to fix it and continue my project. Okay, I have 3/8 fuel line like that. Temporarily it will work, and then later on I will replace with the proper tubing. Everything works. Let's crank it up, and we're back in business. Yeah, I'm glad that it was simple enough to get it fixed. Engine is running, and yeah, welder is functional again. Thank you so much, guys, for your time watching this video. Appreciate it. Yeah, if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below. And see you soon. Take care, and bye bye.